Hello, hi. I wanted to show you what my son's deck looked like almost 3 years later after we built it. And there was many comments online. Thank you for the 800 or so thousand people that have viewed that original video, how to build a ground level deck. The first thing he did is planted landscape bushes all around the border of it. See, there's some very tall ones for privacy. And on the other side you also have that same type of look. There it is. Look how high that is. There's floor level bushes as well here and there, some in pots. He painted the floor gray, but the best thing he did was using 6x6 posts and all treated lumber, a lot of 2x6s it looks like, 2x8s maybe. He put a roof on here, shingled roof, for entertainment, for cooking out in the rain or whatever. There's some cool lights way up top. Almost like a tiki hut, except without the thatch. He went ahead and took time to paint this gray. So half of this is enclosed and as such, has a roof over it. The other half is totally open. Many of you asked why he didn't take the deck all the way to the edge of the house. And let me show you why. He wanted bushes, landscape, against the house. And here it is right here. Let me show you. We start here and it goes all the way down the edge, just like that. Nice place for the little boy to have a pool. A lot of chairs out here, and it's holding up real well. We did run into one problem in the very middle about a year ago, where the Florida sand, the pressure of the lumber sunk at about 2 inches. Well, we went underneath it, took the boards off, went underneath it, and raise that up. So it's pretty good. It looks good, it sounds good, and this has been a great addition to the house for 3 years, and hopefully many more. Thanks for joining me. Bye.